Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is episode 6, and let's just say, there's a lot to tell you. Basically, I'm about to get a Star Street from using tickets, and also, I've been also grinding on its quests for spiders, and I'm about to show you the final spider. But first of all, I'm just showing you me getting gifted Tabby B. I gave it because of the critical power. So now, here we go, killing that spider, getting on its quest, then now give it to that mythic bee called Precise Bee. I gave it because there's pretty much no better bee to gift. I wasn't gonna give it to a vicious bee. And then, I was just thinking, what bee should I give? So I gave it to Carpenter Bee, and then I tried to gift it with all nice treats, and in 998 sunflower seeds, I got it. So that is boggers. And then I gifted Lion Bee with 545 pineapples. So that's great. Anyways, I did a boost and it went good, but I kinda lost patience on how little honey I was making, so I used a super smoothie. I know I probably shouldn't have, but I guess it is what it is. And I also wasted that glue because super smoothie erases the glue, so rip one glue, I guess. But anyway, decent boost. I then got a gifted Ninja Bee after a 4K Royal Jelly, but unfortunately I wasted all 25 star jelly before. I got the Royal Jelly from 6 billion boosts with gumdrops, and I spent all the honey and 6K Royal Jellies. I tried to get gifted Music Bee. I didn't get it though, but I was still happy. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one, and I guess if you're not satisfied, you can watch some random gameplay. See ya.